Hey y'all. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my rice water. Excuse my jammies, I am comfortable at home and my hair is actually due for washing tomorrow. With rice water you have to prep your rice water. That's probably one of the disadvantages to rice water, is that you have to kind of wait a day before you can actually use it, but a good 24 hours is good for your rice water. Okay, so I'm washing my hair tomorrow. My hair needs some strength. I was in a protective style for about 2 weeks, no actually 3 weeks. Even though I did wash my hair in between, I felt like once the twist came out of my hair, she needed some strength. I need protein. You know, when you've been on this hair journey long enough, you know exactly what you need when you need it. What I'm going to be needing for this rice water is just a simple bowl. All right, this is my handy dandy bowl, and a jar for the rice water. I'm using this clear jar because of showing purposes, but you can use any jar. And then of course my rice. All right, my rice is always in a clear jar, y'all, so y'all don't think that I got this rice in a clear jar for y'all. I've had these jars, these clear jars in the house anyways. So for rice water, all right, I'm gonna wash my hands because I did touch my hair, and this is my kitchen. Okay, for rice water I use a handful of water. I don't know what everybody else uses for their rice water. Whatever how big your hands is exactly how you're going to use it. So I just go in with a nice handful of rice. All right, that's how much I use. And what I'm going to do here is wash the rice. So I put in a little bit of water in the rice, and one of the first things I do is wash the rice. Okay, the rice can be starchy. I want to get rid of some of that starch and just really work more with the rice water itself. But the first thing I'm going to do is wash the rice. And when I say wash the rice, I think that might be an African thing, but it's just getting the rice in your hand, squeezing through it, letting it go. That's it. That's all I'm doing. No, you don't have to put it in the dishwasher to wash it. And I'm getting rid of all that, most of the milkiness that comes with the rice. So pour that out. And when it comes to temperature water, you can use warm water, you can use cool water. I use just right there in the middle of temperature. So I put some more water in the bowl, which you guys can see. All right, and I'm gonna wash the rice again, okay? The second wash, I'm gonna use some of the goodness from the second wash. I always think once I've gotten most of that milkiness out, with the second set, I want to use, because I think I'm working some of that rice water, some of that vitamin out of the rice water. Then the second wash plus rice, I pour into the jar. All right, any rice will do. You can use brown rice, they said. You can use white rice. I just use the rice in the house, which is white rice. Last bit of rice, I'm gonna just pour that into the jar. Trying to get all the rice into that jar. And then now I'm just gonna put some water in there. So for me, I just fill up the jar. And again, you can just use regular room temperature water. So that's my start. I'm gonna put the lid on the rice water. You wanna use a jar that has a lid. That's important. And cover. These jars are good because they really create like a nice seal for your rice water. If you have rice water that you make and you don't need it for a particular wash day, you can put it in the refrigerator after 48 hours. I do that. I tend to do it a lot when maybe I plan on using rice water, but for some reason I don't have enough time to do a rice water treatment. I'm just going to do a regular wash. I go ahead and just put the rice water in the refrigerator. It'll last you at least 7 days in the refrigerator. It's winter time right now, so it's cold outside. You want your rice water to be in a space where it's really more like room temperature or warmer. During the summer months, I will put the rice water jar actually outside so I can get like ultimate fermentation over the 24-hour period. But during the winter months, I leave the rice water in the house right there on the counter. And I'll leave that in the house on the counter for about 48 hours. And that's how I make my rice water, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Hope you like my kitchen.